Hi everyone, if you want to create some designs that are suitable for uploading onto the Redbubble print on demand website, maybe for t-shirts or for mugs etc, then one of the critical things that you'll need to know is the resolution in pixels that is required for a certain item. That way we can avoid creating designs that either look too grainy or too pixelated on certain products. So the question is, where do you find this information? Well, I'm on the Redbubble website as you can see, and you would think they'd make this easy to find, but no they don't. For example, if you look at the pull downs here at the top, it's not in any of those. These are just purely just the various products that they offer. Even when you click your accounts, you think maybe it'd be in account settings or maybe in manage portfolio. It's in none of those. What you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page where it's got a help and help center. Click help center. Scroll down where it's got knowledge base and design for selling. You click that. Scroll down where it's got designing for products. You click that. Again you click designing for products. This is really hidden deep as you can see. Scroll down and what you need to do is look for dimensions and format. You click that. Then when you scroll down, it now reveals the various items that they sell. If you click, say for example devices and cases, it reveals the resolution required in pixels for your design for that particular sort of product. So if we go maybe onto stationery, it does exactly the same. Now this is very useful information as it ensures that your designs are to the required resolution for a given product and thus avoiding customers returning products due to grainy or poor image quality. And there you go, once you find it, it's really useful, but for some reason Redbubble hide it deep within their website. So all that leaves me to say is, hope you found this useful, and as always, appreciate you watching and I'll catch up with you soon.